Accessible only by private boat, Egmont Key has a unique natural and cultural history since 1858. Throughout the years, Egmont Key has been experiencing major environmental trouble at an exceeding rate. Recently, there has been a push to preserve the beautiful landmark due to abiotic and biotic factors of the surrounding environment. One issue discovered has been erosion. Erosion has been causing a loss of land throughout the years. One solution which scientists have discovered is planting of sea oats. Sea oats fight against erosion and stop sand from blowing away. Globally, the sea level is rising, which, in Egmont Key's case, is having a devastating impact on the landmarks and the wildlife that live on the island. In recent studies, scientists have discovered that a solution to protecting the wildlife would be to build pyramids on the island. Efforts from every person will contribute to the preservation of this beloved island. Preserving this island will allow the historical monument to flourish for the years to come.